Okay guys, today we're gonna play like both teams. Oh yeah. And I'm not gonna show you my password. Okay, I have a prospector kit and I don't like the prospector kit because it will give me diamond pickaxe and iron cap, and it will give me also, if I open a chest, it will have more items, and that's it. Okay, what? Oh my god, I don't have a team. And hi. Okay, I don't have a team. Okay, I'm green. I'm a green. You VIP, I'm gonna knock you out. Oh my god. Okay, you VIP. Oh my god. Okay, our plan is, there we go. Our plan is get killed. I mean, haha. I'm thinking like some of them is thinking about, what? Are you crazy? Our plan is to be killed? No way. Cool. Okay, there we go, there we go. Okay, they didn't. Bam 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 bam. Need chest. Need chest. There's someone behind us. Run. I'm gonna, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. See? Okay, I'm gonna restart this lifeboat, so I'm gonna be another kit and not prospector one, and I'm not gonna show you my password. Another prospector today. Save kit. Oh my god. Don't do this to me. Okay, last time I became a warrior and it had that on the app right here. But now prospector, are you joking? No kids on this map. Oh really? No. No. Don't push me. Okay, we are team green. Okay. Okay, I don't know what to do, but green team is 3. Okay, it's 3B2. Let me see the skin. Oh my god. His skin is super girly gamer. But who cares? We're gonna win this one. See, okay, this is almost noobs. And I am noob. Here we go. Let's see who's boss. Here we go. A little rival will do this game a little more exciting. Oh, what's this? I kill red, kill red. Oh my god. This is a rival. And it all started because of me. Oh wait, no. Why did I just do that? Who cares about that? Let's go in the other way of winning. Oh my god, I don't like the starting. No! Will you please? There we go. We're fine, brother. We're fine. My armor is just iron, iron hot. And red team is on a rampage. They don't like that. Maybe there's a chest here. Oh, glowstone. Oh my god. I don't like this starting. I can't even find the chest. Don't do this to me, please. If I see a chest by accident, well, see, I'm a good finder. Okay, let's gear up ourselves and we're gonna fight. Okay, there we go. Get me iron pickaxe. Iron pickaxe. Oh my god, stone sword. That's it, stone sword. Okay. Okay, another chest. Okay, I'm gonna fight for it. Let's fight for the crown. Boom. No, stay there. Boom. Okay. Do this. And let's find a crafting table so we can craft an iron sword. And I will be get killed. I'm gonna suicide if I can't do iron sword. Wait a minute. Okay, it's full, but it's pitch black. I don't want to go through here. Okay, there's nothing in. Okay, come on now. For now, our quest is to find a crafting table. But it's too creepy in the spawn. But I will do this for my sake. Okay, let's find the thing in. Let's find the arena because if there we go, that's the spawn. The AC red there. Okay, let's sneak up. Okay, what is he doing? Oh my god, just took my here we go. You idiot. No. No, there's two more red, so I'm gonna get out of here. Get out, get out. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. No. Please leave me alone. No. No, no, no. And why did I just... What is this? Nah, that's a little bunch. I want to play Sky Wars. Okay, I'm gonna show you Sky Wars. Did I have this server? No, I don't have this server. Okay, let's play. Dun, dun. Okay, this one. We were team green team again, and I'm gonna say don't worry guys, I will kill them once we get their attention. Teleport everywhere. I will kill you. I will kill you. Change your plans. Do not go there. That's creepy. They don't. He don't. He don't have an idea that I'm coming for him. Okay, we are no longer invisible. Invincible. Mr. Cake, meet my pickaxe. Or gosh. Oh my god. It's a green. But don't worry, Mr. Cake. Okay, leave Mr. Cake alone. Change your plans. He's too scared. Oof, 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 oof. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Punch this up. Oh, I didn't know that will work. It will be awesome if I found a chest here. Because this is my first play on this map. Okay, there's a chest. I thought there was a chest for a second. Oh my god. And I hope I can find chest with foods, and that's it. Or I'm dead. Okay, there we go. Okay, we can fight fair and square now. Okay, there's another chest there. Let me just check that out. What are you hiding in your inside, Mr. Chest? Nothing. But it's okay. Okay, let's gear up. Mm-mm. Hmm. That's not the great chest. Kid, please don't do this to me. Oh my god, okay. Let's kick their butts. They will not see me coming with this chest again. No, that's the first chest I see. Okay. I don't actually know where are we going. Um, that that's the spawn. I mean that's not the spawn, but I'm gonna call it spawn for now. Okay, this is not awesome. I don't know. Okay, one more red. Maybe that's the one they talking about. Okay, all chests has been refilled. Okay, let's. No, it's green. Hey man, you stuck here? And will you help me, please? If you help me, I will give you some apples. You want some apples? You idiot! You don't help me. You just opened the chest, and you're waiting to kill me. You punk! I'm Team Green. Okay, let's give them. Okay, I'm gonna. Where did she come from? Okay, there's blue. I'm gonna betray the blue one. Sorry for my betrayal, but I don't have a kill, so there we go. There we go. We're doing it. Sentinel God. What did I? Okay, leave it alone. Don't mind the chat. I'm busy right now. Don't chat. Okay, blue, more blue are coming for our lives. Okay, I'm gonna crop something and hope it will work this time. I'm gonna crop some iron sword. No, you punk. Are you green? Are you green? Just tell me, are you green? Yes, he's green. You're green too. Okay, green rule this area. Okay, I have this sword here. So I'm gonna leave that this. Okay, who has diamonds? Here we go. And someone gave me diamond. Diamond, please. That's blue. I'm gonna hunt you down. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. This is the last game. Make me awesome. Okay, it's that much. Do not worry, guys. You punk. Oh my god. Sorry, I did. I'm serious right in the tournament battle. Sorry guys, and sorry please. I don't remember that I'm with you. But okay, that's the last game for the day. I will see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.